Hey guys, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we're going to be going over how to install the MyColor GTK theme. So to start off, you're going to want to go to the download section. Now we're going to download a TarGZ one because that's how I went over the instructions. But you should know right now that if you download one of these zip ones, you will have to use a different way of extracting it. But they've got a bunch of different stuff here, so you can just click download and just click the download button here. Click start download, then we can go back to the instructions and get our terminal open. CD to the downloads folder. And then from there we can do ls, and we see we got AI white. So from here we can go over the extraction command. So tar and then paste, tar, and then just do AI white. Should extract it, ls, and then go into cd AI white, and you see you've got a whole bunch of stuff here. So we can just put this in themes. You could also put this in user/themes as I outline here in the article here. We're not going to do that because I don't really want to set it up that way. But once it's installed, we can go ahead and open up tweaks and go to the appearance section, and then we see here's AI white, and we've got our new theme set up. So that's how you install the MyColor GTK theme. We'll see what it looks like on the file manager. I think it looks nice. It doesn't really match GNOME exactly with the way I have it all looking, but it's still pretty cool. I would recommend checking it out. So anyways guys, I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in the next one.